Our planet, Earth, is a marvel of cosmic balance. It is a unique oasis in the vast expanse of space, teeming with life and natural wonders. Spinning through space, it maintains a delicate equilibrium that sustains life as we know it. This balance is a result of countless factors working in harmony, from the gravitational pull of the moon to the energy we receive from the sun. However, this balance is not inviolable. It is a fragile state that can be disrupted by both natural events and human activities. It is now becoming increasingly clear that human activities are having a profound impact, even altering the very axis on which our planet spins. Industrial pollution, deforestation, and large-scale agriculture are just a few examples of how we are changing the face of our planet. This is no longer science fiction. This is the alarming truth, revealed by cutting-edge scientific research. Scientists are now able to measure these changes with unprecedented accuracy, providing us with a clearer picture of the consequences of our actions. We have long known that Earth is not perfectly upright. Its axis is tilted, a fact that has been understood for centuries. It tilts on its axis at approximately 23.4 degrees. This tilt is responsible for the changing seasons, a phenomenon that has shaped life on Earth for millennia. This tilt is what gives us our seasons. The variation in sunlight throughout the year creates the diverse climates and ecosystems that we depend on. But what we are witnessing now is different. The scale and speed of human-induced changes are unprecedented in Earth's history. Human actions, particularly the massive extraction of groundwater, are adding a new dimension to this tilt, subtly but significantly shifting Earth's rotational axis. This extraction is depleting vital resources and altering the distribution of mass on our planet. This discovery is both fascinating and concerning. It highlights the extent to which our activities are intertwined with the natural world and the far-reaching impacts we can have. It underscores the interconnectedness of Earth's systems and the profound, often unintended consequences of our actions. Every action we take has a ripple effect, influencing the delicate balance of our planet. We are, quite literally, shifting the ground beneath our feet. The choices we make today will determine the future of our planet and the legacy we leave for generations to come. Water, the elixir of life, has a power often underestimated. While essential for our existence, it also holds immense geophysical force. This force stems from its sheer mass. When we talk about billions of tons of water being drawn from beneath the Earth's surface, the impact on the planet's balance becomes palpable. Imagine Earth as a spinning top. Its weight is distributed in a way that keeps it spinning smoothly. Now picture removing a significant amount of weight from one side of that top. What happens? The top wobbles, its axis of rotation shifting. This is, in essence, what is happening to Earth as we pump vast quantities of groundwater. This water, once safely stored beneath the surface, is now being redistributed primarily into the oceans. This redistribution of mass is causing a measurable shift in Earth's rotational axis. Groundwater pumping is the process of extracting groundwater from aquifers, underground layers of water-bearing rock, for various human needs. While seemingly a local activity, its effects are far-reaching. The sheer volume of water extracted is staggering. Between 1993 and 2010, over 2,150 gigatons of groundwater were pumped for agricultural, industrial, and domestic use. To put this into perspective, 1 gigaton is equivalent to 1 billion metric tons. That's more than 3 times the weight of the entire human population. This extracted groundwater doesn't simply vanish. A significant portion eventually finds its way into the oceans, adding to the rising sea levels. This shift in mass, however, has a far more profound effect. It subtly alters Earth's rotational balance, causing a measurable shift in its axis. The unsettling reality of groundwater pumping's impact on Earth's tilt came to light in a groundbreaking study published in June 2023 in the journal led by Kiweon Seo, a geophysicist at Seoul National University. The study meticulously analyzed various factors contributing to the drift of Earth's rotational pole. The findings were startling. The study revealed that groundwater pumping is the single largest contributor to this drift, surpassing other climate-related factors. These findings were further corroborated by independent research conducted at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, adding further weight to this alarming discovery. These studies utilized complex computer models and analyzed decades of data, including satellite observations of Earth's shape and gravitational field, to reach their conclusions. The evidence is clear. We are altering the very balance of our planet. Section 5. A world out of kilter, the impacts. In this section we delve into the profound and often overlooked consequences of Earth's shifting axis. The consequences of Earth's shifting axis are multifaceted and far-reaching, impacting various aspects of our planet and its delicate equilibrium. These changes are not just scientific curiosities, they have real-world implications that affect our daily lives and the natural world around us. While the immediate effects might seem subtle, their long-term implications are significant. Over time, these shifts can lead to dramatic changes in weather patterns, ecosystems, and even the geography of our planet. One of the most direct impacts is the rise in sea levels. This phenomenon is not just a future threat, it is happening now and accelerating. As massive amounts of groundwater are transferred to the oceans, sea levels creep upwards. This process is exacerbated by human activities such as groundwater extraction for agriculture and urban use. While the 0.24-inch rise attributed to groundwater pumping between 1993 and 2010 might seem insignificant, it contributes to the broader issue of rising sea levels, threatening coastal communities and ecosystems. These small changes add up over time, leading to more frequent and severe coastal flooding and erosion. Furthermore, the shifting axis also has subtle but measurable effects on Earth's rotation. This is a fascinating aspect that shows how interconnected our planet's systems are. Days are getting slightly longer, albeit by milliseconds per century. Though this change is minuscule, it is a reminder of the delicate balance that governs our world. While this might seem inconsequential, it highlights the interconnectedness of Earth's systems, and the potential for human activities to disrupt even the most fundamental planetary processes. Understanding these impacts is crucial for developing strategies to mitigate and adapt to these changes, ensuring a sustainable future for all. Section 6. The clock is ticking. Future implications. The scientific community warns that if current trends in groundwater pumping continue unabated, the consequences could be far more severe. Groundwater is a critical resource for drinking water, agriculture, and industry. Over-extraction can lead to a host of problems, including land subsidence, reduced water quality, and the drying up of wells. This is not just a local issue, it has global ramifications. The rate of Earth's axial tilt could accelerate, leading to more rapid and unpredictable changes in climate patterns, sea level rise, and even the length of our days. This tilt affects the distribution of sunlight on Earth's surface, which in turn influences weather and climate systems. An accelerated tilt could mean more extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, and floods becoming more frequent and severe. Projections suggest that if greenhouse gas emissions continue to rise, further exacerbating climate change and the need for groundwater extraction, the rate of day lengthening could increase dramatically. This would not only affect our daily lives but also have profound impacts on natural systems and human activities. The synchronization of biological rhythms, agricultural cycles, and even technological systems could be thrown into disarray. This acceleration could potentially outpace the effects of natural forces like lunar tidal friction, fundamentally altering the rhythm of our planet. The interaction between the Earth and the Moon is a delicate balance that has been maintained for billions of years. Disrupting this balance could have unforeseen consequences, affecting everything from ocean tides to the stability of Earth's orbit. The implications of such a scenario are vast and complex, with potential ramifications for agriculture, navigation, and even the delicate balance of ecosystems. Farmers may find it increasingly difficult to predict planting and harvesting times, while shipping routes could be affected by changing sea levels and currents. Wildlife and ecosystems already under stress from human activities could face even greater challenges. The future remains uncertain, but one thing is clear: inaction is not an option. We must take decisive steps to mitigate these risks, from reducing greenhouse gas emissions to managing groundwater resources more sustainably. The choices we make today will determine the world we leave for future generations. Section 7. Echoes of the Past, Warnings for the Future. The discovery that human activities can tilt Earth's axis is not entirely new. In 2016, Surendra Adhikari at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory first demonstrated the ability of water to alter Earth's rotation. This groundbreaking research paved the way for the 2023 study, which specifically identified groundwater pumping as a major contributor. This growing body of evidence underscores a crucial point. Our planet is not static, and its systems are interconnected in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. The past serves as a stark reminder of the potential consequences of disrupting these delicate balances. Section 8. A call to action. What can we do? The future may seem daunting, but it is not without hope. Awareness of the issue is the crucial first step, and the scientific community has sounded the alarm. Now it is up to us, collectively, to heed this warning and take action. Sustainable groundwater management practices are crucial. This includes exploring alternative sources of water, improving irrigation efficiency, and promoting rainwater harvesting. Individual actions, while seemingly small, collectively can make a significant difference. Furthermore, addressing climate change, which exacerbates the need for groundwater extraction, is paramount. Transitioning to renewable energy sources, reducing carbon emissions, and embracing sustainable practices are crucial steps in the right direction. Section 9. Our planet, our responsibility. We are all stewards of this planet, entrusted with its care for future generations. The discovery that we are tilting Earth's axis serves as a profound wake-up call, reminding us of the interconnectedness of Earth's systems and the far-reaching consequences of our actions. The path forward is clear. We must transition towards a more sustainable and harmonious relationship with our planet. This is not merely an option, but a necessity for the well-being of our planet and the future of humanity. The time for action is now.